TCS and Infosys will kick off earnings season with their results, and the street is expecting a weak third quarter due to tepid macros as well as lower discretionary spending. In fact, Reema is standing by now to take us through a preview of what we should expect from the two tech biggies, Infosys and TCS. Reema.
Thanks so much for that. So now Q3 FY24 is likely to be a weak quarter for the Indian IT companies. There is the usual seasonality, higher furloughs, but this time the furloughs are expected to be more than normal on account of weak macro conditions. Now Infosys is likely to report a top-line decline. The dollar revenue, according to the CNBC-TV18 poll, is down 1.8% on a sequential basis, and margins too will come under pressure on account of wage hikes. Now, this weakness in the current quarter will result in a likely, guidance cut. Now, the company has already downgraded its full-year assessment of growth twice. But this time, analysts are saying there could be a further guidance cut. So, from 1 to 2.5%, the company could guide for a 1 to 2% revenue growth for the full year. And if you remember, they'd started the year with a 4 to 7% top-line growth. What will the street focus on apart from numbers? Senior level management attrition, there have been a lot of leadership departures, and also the reason for that cancellation of a mega $1.5 billion MOU. But despite the weak numbers, the company has seen a fair amount of upgrades ahead of its results. So JP Morgan, UBS, Jefferies all upgraded the stock and raised the target price. TCS too is likely to report a muted quarter, flat constant currency revenue growth. Margins are likely to be stable at 24.35%. And from TCS, because it doesn't give you an annual guidance, as a bellwether of the industry, we will see signs whether demand is bottoming out, whether there are any green shoots in discretionary spending, what the calendar year 24 budgets are looking like.
Well, it is going to be a busy day for you, Reema. Many thanks for joining us. Earnings season kicking off tomorrow with TCS and Infosys. Now, tensions remain.